Hello guys, today we are going to talk about saving figures of our plots directly from our code. Now we can easily do that from the plot itself. So if I run this code and you can see this plot, here we have let's say an option to save the figure. It's a floppy disk image and you can press on it and basically you can go ahead and save it wherever you want. Now here you can see the default configuration is always PNG. Now what if you want to save the file as some other format? Of course you can do it from there, but you can also do it from the code. Also, there are some other explicit advantages of saving the file from your code, so you can change various parameters. For example, if I go to savefig tutorial of Matplotlib, you can see there are various parameters mentioned here that you can play with to change your plots, and so that you can use that plot in your reports or some other projects wherever you want. So for example, to save the figure, the first parameter is the file name. There is a DPI which is called as dots per inch. There is face color, there is edge color. There are a lot of parameters that you can change so that you would get your plot exactly the way you want. Let's go ahead and experiment with it. So here, before plt.show, I can say plt.savefig, and then first I will mention the directory name where I want to save the file. So I can say users Lenin Mishra. Now I am on a Mac, so that's why I'm setting my directory. It is supposed to be on a Mac. If you are on Windows, set it accordingly. And then I can call it img1 dot. Let's first go ahead and save it as a PNG, and then I can do DPI. So basically, the higher the DPI, I'm going to mention DPI equal to 500. So basically, higher the DPI, higher is the resolution of your plot. Now let's go ahead and run this code. So here you can see it is our plot which plt.show is showing. And then if I close it and then go back to my, here you can see there is a file called img1.png, and if I open it, this is basically the plot. So basically this is how we have saved our plots to one of our relevant directories, and we have improved the resolution as well. Now I can also use another parameter here called as face color. So here after DPI I can say face color, and I'll set it to, let's set it to blue, right? We are just experimenting and we want to see what kind of results we get. So if I set it to blue and run this code, basically this is the plot you are seeing, right? But let's go ahead and see our plot here. Here if I click on img1.png, you will see this color has changed to blue. So basically it allows you to add some extra changes to your plot compared to the plot that you see during while you are coding. So basically this is a big advantage when you want to use these plots for your projects or for your reports, and you want them in a certain way but you don't want to make changes to your experiment. So that way you can use the savefig method in Matplotlib and then save it to accordingly the way you want. Now there are a lot of other parameters mentioned here: paper type, format, transparent. Basically format is if we go to the format parameter here, you can see that you can store it as PNG, PDF, PS, it's for Photoshop, SVG file. You can save it in a lot of formats. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial on saving the figure of our plot to our relevant directories using Matplotlib. I will see you in the next tutorial.